You know that that's not true. That it's
No,
simply
no,
illegal. People may be doing that, but people might not tell the full stories in their anecdotal evidence of these testimonials. You know, oh, this is what happened to me when I went on holiday at X, Y, and Z. Like,
I'm not talking about although I have done research on it, but it's not. I'm not talking about my
what I'm
research.
saying is
I'm
purely
talking about
illegal.
I'm talking about government research. I'm talking about freedom of data requests that other people have done. I'm talking about reports by racial equality organizations, charities. I'm talking about people like human rights organizations. I'm talking about the United Nations Special Rapporteur. It's not. We're not talking about just me asking a couple of mates.
Yeah.
Right?
I know there's other data.
I mean, you open up the can of worms because the data is there. To try and say that it's not true. It suggests that you've done the research. Well, you haven't done the research.
It's illegal. It's quite simply illegal on the basis of someone's religion to do these things.
Look, if we put that to the police, they'll say, no, it's not illegal, we have the powers to do it.
With the Equality Act 2010, you can't just use someone's race or
Yeah,
religion.
it's all a bit vague. It's all the government's official position.
I would
do
my job if I acted on it.
Well, it's all a bit vague, and they do it. Everybody knows they do it. They've been doing it for a long time. And, David Lammy had a whole report about it as well. There's a report about the citizenship and sort of, Muslim community specific, sort of what they're suffering, considering the basically second class citizens essentially, and Schedule 7s and to do with the passport is a big factor in that. So, I don't mind you having an opinion, but you're saying it's a fact. You're saying as if, okay, no, it's not true that Muslims don't face discrimination. I'm not suggesting
that. I haven't said that sentence.
Okay, so do you accept that?
Obviously, people face discrimination. Muslims do.
In particular,
all different ethnic groups. Religious groups
from the beginning, what I was talking about was Schedule 7 stops, and I said that Muslims have been predominantly have been disproportionately stopped. Schedule 7 stop. You're suggesting to me a couple of times in the conversation you suggested that's not true. I'm telling you that now. The data says it's true.
Okay. Well, obviously, I don't have this data that you have.
So then, look, you can just say I don't know. You don't need to say that it's not true because that's because if we're living that experience, and I'm telling you that I'm facing this discrimination, you say no, you're not facing discrimination. That's just ridiculous.
Didn't say that though, did I?